everyone, good morning. Before we begin, I would like to ask you a simple question. Have you ever wondered why we can as public roads, street lights, public transportation, or government school without paying a high cost every day? We ask public facility almost all the time, but we rarely stop and think about where the money comes from. Interestingly, people often complain when public services are not good enough, such as damaged roads or slow administration. However, when the topic of the tax comes up, many people feel uncomfortable, confused, or even try to avoid talking about it. In fact, tax is very close to our daily life. It is something we experience indirectly every single day. Before going further, let me introduce myself. My name is Shiva Shahra. In this video, I will talk about taxation in Indonesia. I will not start with complicated definition, but instead from everyday situation that we can all relate to before moving deeper into the topic of tax. In this presentation, I will discuss three main points. First, the role of tax in our daily life. Second, overview of the tax system in Indonesia. And third, the importance of taxpayer awareness and compliance. First, let's talk about the role of tax in daily life. Almost all public facility we ask are funded by tax revenue. Roads, bridges, traffic like public school, public hospital, and transportation system are clear example of this. When we go to school, visit a public hospital, or travel using public transportation, we might not pay directly at that moment. However, these services are not free. They are provided through money collected from taxpayers. Tax also plays an important role in national development. It helps the government build infrastructure, improve education and health service, and support economic stability. So, tax is not just about paying money to the government, it is a form of cooperation between citizens and the state to improve public welfare and quality of life. Next, let's move on to the tax system in Indonesia. Indonesia applies a self-assessment system, which means taxpayers are trusted to calculate, pay, and report their own tax honestly and responsibly. There are several types of tax in Indonesia. The most common ones include income tax, value-added tax, and land and building tax. In recent years, the Indonesian government has improved tax administration through digital service, online tax reporting, and electronic payment system have made tax process easier, faster, and more transparent. This improvement aim to increase taxpayer compliance and reduce difficulties in fulfilling tax obligations. The last point is about the importance of taxpayers' awareness. Many tax problems are sure not because the system is bad, but because people lack understanding and awareness. Some people think tax does not give direct benefit, while others are afraid of making mistakes due to complex regulation. When taxpayer awareness increases, state revenue also increases. This allows the government to improve public service, accelerate development, and reduce inequality. That is why education is very important, especially for studying and young people. By understanding tax early, we can build a positive mindset that tax is not a burden but a responsibility as citizens. To conclude, tax play a very important role in our daily life, even though we often do not realize it. Indonesia has a tax system that gives responsibility and trust to its citizens through the self-assessment system. However, the system can only work effectively if taxpayers are aware and willing to comply. Therefore, understanding and paying tax is not only a legal obligation, but also a contribution to the development and future of Indonesia. Thank you very much for watching and bye bye.